Hey everyone, so I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but welcome to 2020. In today's video, I want to trim my hair and I also kind of want to do like a length check since I haven't really showed you guys how long my hair has gotten. And honestly, I haven't been keeping track of it. I know when I first started, making videos and first went natural, I always, stretch out my hair to see how long it is. I don't really do that anymore. Lately, I've been craving to kind of blow up my hair, maybe even flatten it. So I decided to just blow it out and then do like a, just like a ponytail with some twists in the back. I don't know, I just did some random hairstyle. But it's about a week old now. It's really frizzy. It's definitely due for a wash. But before I wash my hair, I want to show you guys what my hair looks like and of course trim my ends. I'm gonna go ahead and take down my hair. So I don't really know how long my hair has gotten, but a lot of you guys pointed out that my hair was looking really long in my wash day routine video that I posted. And I didn't really take in that, my hair was looking longer. To me, it just looked, I guess, the same. I don't measure it. So I never really noticed how long it's gotten. But for you guys, since you guys don't see me or see my hair on a regular basis, you guys would notice. Me now, I see it all the time, so I don't see the length. So I just created 2 flat twists at the front, but of course they are super duper old. All right, so I went ahead and took down my twists, and I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like. So this is blowed out hair. And I did it about a week ago. So this is what it looks like. And the other side, I think my hair is a little bit too knotty for me to do a trim. So I'm gonna wait till I blow dry my hair again and then do a trim, and I will film that for you guys. But this is what it looks like. It did shrink a little bit since, it's been a week, so it did shrink up a little bit. But when I do stretch it out, it does reach down pretty far. So it's past my boobs now. In the back, I definitely want to say that I'm at waist length. Not fully at waist length, but definitely it's hitting there. I definitely want to see if I can find someone who can flatten my hair, and of course I will record that as well if I get it flattened. I'm not going to do it myself because I'm not good at flattening my hair. I've tried a few times in the past and it always turns out looking very poofy like this. So I rather get someone else to do it that's a professional. So I guess I'll do a bit of a hair update, kind of let you guys know what I've been doing, what I stopped doing or anything like that. So for me, I like to wash my hair about twice a month. That's pretty much what I do. Shampoo, condition. I'm still using the same products that you guys have seen me use in the past, like Cantu and Maui Moisture. I'm really picky when it comes to hair products. I'm really scared to try new things. But yeah, I'm still using the same products that you guys see me using in my previous videos, my wash day routines, same stuff. The only thing that I recently started using is this hair detangler brush, which I absolutely love. It makes detangling super easy, and I actually enjoy wash day now because of this brush. I recently launched an online store called Melon Tools. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these brushes, definitely check it out. I'll leave the link down below. So right now we have free shipping going on. So if you are interested, you can definitely get one. I will do a full video of me using this brush. Some of you guys did notice that I was using it in my last video. I'll try and insert that little clip of me using it. It just glides through my hair, and I want to say it's because of how flexible it is, and it works on all hair types. So this is one thing that I've been using, something new in my hair routine. Also, I've been rocking a lot of 2-strand twists. So not twist styles, but 2-strand twists. Just twisting up my hair after I moisturize and seal and just leaving it like that. Maybe pinning some pieces back or doing a little bun updo or something. Protective styling. I've been doing that for the past maybe about the last 3 months. I've been doing a lot of protective styles with my own hair. No added hair, no extensions or anything, just my own hair. And that has helped my hair so much, just leaving it alone. So it's grown a good bit. I did cut my hair back in the summer, about maybe 4 inches or so. I can't remember how much. And it's grown back. So that's good. I feel like my thickness is coming back again. My edges are doing so much better. I don't know if you guys remember, but my edges were really short. It's grown back a good bit, so now it's about here. I think when I first showed you guys, it was like nothing. It was completely gone, basically. I had a lot of bald spots at the hairline. That is fully grown back in now. I think by the end of this year, it should be pretty normal. Very front of your hair doesn't get super long. It usually stays kind of short. but I can finally put my hair back in one and not look crazy. I was dealing with postpartum shedding because most of you guys know I did have a baby. So usually you lose your hair, usually, not everyone. And I pretty much lost my entire hairline, but as you can see, it's grown back. So I haven't been doing anything different. To be honest, I haven't been doing anything different. I've just been doing a lot of protective styles, and I think that's probably what has helped. Yeah, that's probably what has helped me. I'm not wearing my hair up in puffs anymore. I don't use heat as often as I used to. So less heat, more protective styling. Finding, I guess, a hair tool that I really like and that's gentle and works on my hair. I know a lot of you guys want to see a hair routine on my son, which I probably should bring him in. I'll bring him in for a little bit so you guys can see him because you haven't seen him in a while. His hair has grown a lot as well. You know what? Let me grab him. All right, you guys, so I'm back with Amari. Amari, say hi. Smile. Oh yeah, so you guys haven't seen him in a while. I don't even know the last time you guys saw him. He was so small. He's walking now, by the way, and he has about 4 teeth fully out and maybe about 2 kind of coming out. But anyways, so his hair is braided. It's not the best. I'm still learning how to cornrow. Let me know if any of you guys don't know how to cornrow. I know how to like single braid, but to actually get it on the scalp, I'm not very good. So I've been practicing on his head, and thankfully it's been working out pretty good. He sits down and watches his show while I braid his hair. Growing up, I never braided my hair because my hair was relaxed. For a long time it was relaxed, and recently I went natural. So my hair is always straight, so I never had a reason to, I guess, learn how to do hair. And this is why I don't wear my hair out, because he rips it out, right? He rips my hair out. So that's one of the reasons why I've been wearing it in protective styles, because if I wear it a twist out, he literally rips out pieces of my hair, and yeah, that doesn't make me very happy. But yeah, so his hair it's very thick, very curly. I know some people were asking about his curl pattern or his hair type. Honestly, I don't know. But the back of his head, if you'll let me show you, hasn't grown in fully yet. It still has not a bald spot anymore. It's grown in, but I can't braid it all the way to the back of his neck. It stops halfway. So I'm hoping that will grow in soon, so that way his braids look a little bit better in the back. But overall it looks fine. He is a baby, so but see that hair in his head? Oh my gosh. So that's, yeah, like I was saying, that's why I wear my hair in twists, because he will tear out every strand out of my head, and it hurts. It really does hurt. Right? You hurt him, mommy? You hurt him, mommy? Yeah. So whenever he sees my hair like this, he's like, oh wow, because I don't wear my hair like this often. So he gets really excited. Oh my goodness, Amari, please, my hair. All right, so show them your teeth. Show them your teeth. Smile. Show them the teeth. Ah, look at the teeth, look at the teeth. Yeah, so there's his teeth. Who do you guys think he looks like now? A lot of people are saying he looks like me now, and I definitely see it, right? All right, you guys, so that's pretty much a little update on me, my hair, and Amari's hair. I definitely want to do a full wash day routine with him. Show you guys how I wash, detangle, and maybe even braid. Thank you. And even, you know, how I braid his hair. It is a bit of it's a struggle, but I get it done. I get it done. He doesn't like to wash his hair. He does not like to wash his hair. He doesn't like anything touching his head. A hat, water, whatever it is. He doesn't like a scarf, nothing. He doesn't like anything touching his head. His face, his little face, his little face. So yeah. Oh, you guys, I better put my hair away because I won't have any when the next video comes out. All right, so you guys, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye. What are you looking at? He's waving. His little hand down here is waving like this, but you can't see it. Oh, bye. No, you gotta look here. Look at the camera. Bye. No, he's not doing it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next. Oh, no, what are you doing? Okay, I don't know. Hey guys, so if you guys are interested, definitely check out my new online store, Melanin Tools. Right now we have a detangling hairbrush, and also we have some hair clips that are on sale. The link to Melanin Tools will be down in the description bar. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.